My country people, Jawa don gaso. Not be smart, Dickie Famous threatened to expose Ekene Umewa of what happened in America. Guys, this matter between Ekene Umewa and Dickie Famous, e dey serious, not be smart. Una know say Dickie Famous came out few days ago. I believe so na watch the video here. Where Dickie Famous come explain to us wetin happen between him and the Ekene Umewa. My country people, since then, people don dey tell Ekene Umewa say, your bestie, your best friend, your ex-best friend, don come out to come drag you for lie. Although Dickie Famous did not mention Ekene Umewa, but we all know say Ekene Umewa and Dickie Famous, they are best of friend, which everybody saw it. Even when Ekene Umewa did her marriage, we saw how Dickie Famous was there supporting. Dickie Famous even invite two gospel artists come Ekene Umewa marriage. When make everybody come begin to talk about Ekene Umewa that time. I believe everybody remember how Ekene turn you down for Moses Breeze. People come, they say, why she will go kneel down? Even Dickie Famous come out for social media, come they defend Ekene Umewa. That is friend. My people, what I want to talk so, I don't decide anybody, but sometimes it's good to say the truth. And the truth will always set you free, and it's very important. Now, since after a few days, now when we say Dickie Famous they call Ekene Umewa come out. Ekene Umewa never come out. Make it come talk, say, see what happen between them. She never come out. People don't they drag, people don't they talk about her. She never come out. Instead, she will set camera and be doing night. She will be doing money devotion for social media. My country people, this life, that is sometimes make we look past beyond some things. Fine, many people they won't be say they love Ekele. Even myself, I love Ekene Umewa. But that doesn't mean that we shouldn't tell her the truth. It's very important. Because nowadays, some people, they use Christianity till they cover their face. Use Christianity till they cover their face. They do all sorts of things behind the door. That is what is going on in our country today. So, my country people, what happened today? What make Dickie Famous threaten Ekene Umewa said, make you not let her expose what happened between them in America. Or waiting happen for America, not be between them, if I'm not mistaken, of waiting happen in America. Now, because of say, after Dickie Famous don't make that video for a few days ago, many of them go they report that video. I said that one was not enough. According to Dickie Famous say Ekene Umewa did not call him out. He did not call him on the phone. Instead, Ekene Umewa started to call people up and down. Say make the tell Dickie Famous, make them warn him, make him not let her come for him. If Dickie Famous not be careful, he go make her. They cannot talk that one finish. Now what did Dickie Famous talk today? Dickie Famous come say, it be like say Ekene Umewa don't they threaten him. This one don't they pass. Be careful. And secondly, waiting make Dickie Famous purposely just okay, let him talk about this matter. According to him, he said we'll not talk about this matter again. But he get waiting in here. Now not say Ugozi Zonu. Now be Dickie Famous godmother. According to Dickie Famous said, Ekene Umewa give that woman more than 40 missed call. Even when the woman was telling her that if the money prayer, Ekene Umewa continue to the call. The next thing, when the woman picked the call, they say Ekene Umewa come tell the woman said, make him warn Dickie Famous so. Make he tell Dickie Famous say, make he not try him. Say if Dickie Famous no walk by, make he not carry matter, put her for social media, go make him warn. In fact, nothing. According to Dickie Famous, say Ekene Umewa was so rude to that woman. And that woman, she's old enough to be Ekene Umewa mother. And they respect that woman. So, according to Dickie Famous, say why in they talk about this Nana? Because even when him with Ekene Umewa still get this issue, so He said Ekene Mewa always send Ekene Mewa mama always they send him message because according to him, he said Ekene Mewa mama no say na daughter na dey at fault. So the woman see they beg and ought to they say make he forgive his daughter for everything that she did to him during his marriage. Una see and say the marriage when be say Ediki Famous do for Ghana. Say Ekene Mewa no attend that marriage for the traditional Onu. Now the other one she later attend. And when she attend, she was not free like the way the Kifemo was so all over him, free during her own marriage. Everybody saw everything. Now people come begin to ask questions. What did they happen? Why Ekene Mewa go behave to the Kifemos like this? People where really they say the truth, they will come out and say the truth of what happened. Because I see and say many people now that they blame the Kifemos and the Kifemos they lie. The Kifemos they do this one. My people, everything one person they do for this life, there is truth inside. Not be everybody they lie. Guys, according to the Kifemos, he says sometimes he even show the chat when Ekene Mewa with the Kifemos the chat where Ekene Mewa mama still they tell her say make no mind her daughter. Say now so they do back those things. So he go see that the boy say he still that the message the boy say they call Ekene Mewa mommy. They see the chat normal. The boy not release the anger when he gets for Ekene, make he use them for the mother. But no, Ekene Mewa, they use all the anger when he get for the Kifemos. They use them for everybody around the Kifemos. So my country people, this matter, it really get as a bill. Even the Kifemos even talk and say, fine. The reason why she decided, because at that time, people they ask and say, why you go choose woman as your best friend? He never mind. Because according to him, say where you find love, genuine love, you will stay in that place. Not say two of them get something, you say no, they not get something. According to him, say in Ekene they get issue. Even when Ekene need to do marriage, they get issue. Now they kill husband, now he settle the matter. But according to him, say Ekene Mewa husband, he not talk the way he's supposed to talk, but he just decided to overlook things. After all, now his wife, he will still judge on his wife's favor. So, according to this, was the reason why he did close to Ekene Mewa say, and the Ekene, he can use Ekene mama to do his own mother. According to him, say his mother died when he was just 4 years. Guys, you can imagine that say person mama died when he did 4 years. All mothers will understand. In fact, the kind pain when be say that boy go they go through that time. Looking for a love. Mother when picking will be say mama father they take care of before. Father they carry and pepe. All of a sudden the two of them just disappear. Go nowhere. Then the boy now come be like say now ule. Una see and say when that boy want do marriage. Na Ugozi Zono. Na the boy na he stand as the mama. That should show say that boy not really get love. If the parents even get family, he not really get love of their hand. Because if you get love, you know what they seek for love for everywhere they go. You know what they look for people when they say in go call you. Even the person when they say even they give her food, they help her with school fees. He still post the video today. That's to show say the family was never there for him. But when he see Ekene Mewa, he decided to take Ekene Mewa as his own best friend. But at the end of the day, according to him, he said Ekene Mewa betrayed him. My people, guys, some people for this life, in fact, only person where we say we need to put our trust on is God Almighty. The only God when we say he created, when we show us genuine love, now be God. And now he don't finally find wife. According to the information that I say, Ekene say why he go marry for Ghana. Why not marry the ex-girlfriend? According to him, he said it say, na ex-girlfriend, na he dump him, not being dumped the girl. Because that time, people really, they blame the famous here. Why you will leave a woman when you don't date for how many years? You date this girl finish, now you don't go marry for Ghana side. Everybody was just blaming him. That time when they do marry, say, if you now look and say, the way the marriage be, not be so it's supposed to be as a celebrity marriage. According to the boy, say, it really affects her. Financially, it affects her. He say affect her emotionally, my country people. That one a person will be say he don't stand, celebrate with people, don't stand for people during their own celebration. But when your time come reach, people come begin to dey do and say, I bet they go, who be you, who you help. He get as it be. I take this boy whole 1 year to come out, to come and explain what actually happened between him and Ekene. And Ekene now they do and say nothing they happen. My people, sorry to say this, Ekene men will get what he need to explain to us. Yes, he gets am because this one they come out for social media now, when they do all this holy of a thing. Guys, for me, people when they do holy, me and they fear them because some of them they pretend pass any other thing. What they go do for back, you know, go expect them. They go do waiting. That is what you know even believe say they go do. Because seeing Ekene alone self, Ekene na person be say na gbagbati person. Na person be say if he little paper cover her, she go do another thing, go scatter everywhere. Ekene calm. Let me say it just na God na he arrest her. I don't know. But trust women. You not get at it they be rich. Women will must surely be women. That is just the thing for this life when we say with this. So Ekene mewa, you don't hear the message when we say the famous send can say he go expose wetin happen for America. The Kifemo don't talk and say go expose wetin happen for America. If you continue to disturb people around him, now wetin talk be that, so my people not be me talking. Okay, my people, no problem. Make I leave now for now. Make una tell us for the comment below what you think concerning this message. So, if the Kifemos is right or wrong for saying that he's going to expose or threatening Ekele that he was going to expose what happened in America, if he's right or wrong, make una leave for the comment below. It is very important. All my returning subscriber, una do well. All my subscriber, God bless you. All right, my people, I will see you now. Bye bye you.